You know what's funny? Most of us don't fail because things are hard. We fail because starting feels impossible. But what if I told you there's a rule that is so small and so easy that your brain can't even refuse it? And this tiny rule can change your entire life. Now, think about it. How many times did you say, I will study after scrolling a bit, or I will clean my room later, or I will work out tomorrow? And suddenly the whole day passed, and nothing happened. You're not lazy. Your brain just hates anything that looks big or tiring. Because your mind isn't afraid of the habit itself, it's afraid of the idea of starting. That first step feels heavy. And that's where the 2-minute rule saves you. And the rule is simple. Any habit you want to build should take less than 2 minutes to start. For example, if you want to read, open the book and read 1 page. If you want to work out, put on your shoes. If you want to study, sit at your desk and open the notebook. Just the first 2 minutes. Once you start something tiny, your brain switches teams. Your energy rises, resistance drops, and suddenly you want to continue. Momentum starts with the smallest action. For example, instead of saying, I'll read for an hour, say, I'll read for 2 minutes. Most days, you'll end up reading more. Or for studying, don't plan a full session. Just sit down, open the book, read 1 paragraph. That's enough to get you going. And remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's becoming the kind of person who shows up, even for 2 minutes. Small actions repeated daily beat big actions repeated sometimes. Every time you do the 2-minute version, you're telling yourself, I'm someone who keeps promises. And that identity will change your life. Now, here's your challenge. Pick 1 habit you want to build today, and just do the first 2 minutes of it. Without pressure. Just show up. You don't need more motivation. You just need the courage to start small. Because 2 minutes can change your life more than 2 hours of thinking about it. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs that tiny push, and follow ThinkVana for more habits that make you unstoppable.